I've gotten some requests from a couple friends and stuff like that to make a video of my exhaust note on my 2005 WRX Wagon, which is currently stage 2. So it has the full 3-inch turbovac exhaust from Invidia. It's the N1 Race. Fuel pump. It's got the Cobb access port for tuning. And really, that's it. Not really a whole lot else. So yeah, I guess I'll just start being quiet, but we're going 65, 5th gear, partial throttle just to keep us going, and turn my heater off. And yeah, so this is what I listen to on my way home. And I'll roll the window down. Yeah, all in all, not too bad. I mean, I'll throw it in cruise control for like a long trip, but it doesn't change anything. Might let off the throttle completely in certain phases, but you can't really hear any difference. So the exhaust itself, at partial to medium throttle, like, it's really quiet. It's not really that bad of an exhaust, especially when the windows are up. You can't even hear it at all, really. But whenever you get in like the wide open throttle and, like, you know, going through the revs and stuff like that, you know, obviously you are going to get a lot more, you know, ring out of it. And here I'm going to be getting off the freeway here pretty soon, so I'll give you another example. So yeah, as a daily driving exhaust, it's not cumbersome at all, and this doesn't have a silencer in it at all. It's 3-inch all the way back, Catless downpipe, so wide open. On the light. So we'll give it a little something. So overall, I'm really satisfied with the exhaust. Gave me some, you know, good power considering it is a 3-inch race all the way back. Paired with the access port tune, it runs great. I'm at 7,000 RPM, so, you know, if you're noticing anything, that's probably the answer. I do lose a little bit of power up this high. The air is a little thin up here, but you know, overall, fun car. Love the car. Never had really any troubles with it. They're great cars. Here, I'll do a little more of a beans around here. So I mean, as you can hear, it does get a little aggressive with wide open throttle, but that's exactly what you want when you get this exhaust. I mean, if you wanted something with the true Subaru rumble, there's no better options in my opinion. And for the price that you get them for, it's awesome. And great quality welds. Everything about it's pretty great. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Maybe I'll see. Windows down, by the way, now. So yeah, I'm getting near home, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to help. And yeah, signing off. You guys have a good one.